Open your book to page 388. And for exercises 1 through 8, it says write each equation in the standard form. So the standard form is ax plus by equal to c. So this is the standard form. So when you have a standard form, this cannot have any fractions or decimals, and you want to reduce as much as you can, and you don't want to have any negatives. So all these are this one should be positive integers. So all these should a, b, and c are integers, and the a have to be positive. So let's go over some problems. So like number 2, you got 2x equal to 3y plus 7. So basically, what you want to do, you want to move all the variable part to the left-hand side and keep the number on the right-hand side. So you just minus 3y minus 3y. So you got 2x minus 3y equal to 7, and that's it. So that's your standard form. So you got x, y equal number. Okay, so now let's go to number 4. You have y equal to negative 3 over 5x minus 4. So when you have this kind of situation with a fraction, so first thing you want to do is multiply by LCD to get rid of the fraction. So multiply by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5. So you got 5y equal to, and this cancel out, so you got negative 3x minus 20. Then after that, you're going to move the variable to the left-hand side, so plus 3x plus 3x. So you got 3x plus 5y equal to negative 20, and that is your standard form. So again, standard form means you want to have the x and the y on the left-hand side and a number on the right-hand side. No fraction, no decimal, and do not begin with a negative. You must have a positive in the beginning. Okay. So let's go to number 6. You got y equal to 1/2 x plus 3 over 4. So again, you have fraction, so what you need to do is you multiply by common denominator, so multiply by 4. So you're going to get 4y equal to, cancel, so you got 2x plus, cancel, so you got 3. Then you have to move the variable to the left-hand side. So you have a negative 2x plus 4y equal to 3. Right? But remember, standard form, you do not begin with a negative. So what you want to do is you want to multiply by negative 1 or divide by negative 1, either way, to get rid of the negative in the beginning. Okay? Standard form must begin with a positive. So you got 2x minus 4y equal to negative 3. Okay? And that's your standard form. Okay, let's go to number 8. You have y plus 1 equal to negative 1 over 3 times x minus 2. Okay, so first thing you want to do is again, you want to get rid of the fraction. Now this whole thing is one term. Right? This whole thing is one term because when you have a plus or minus inside the parenthesis, it can cancel out. So this one does not count. So this whole thing is one term. So when this whole thing is one term, you only multiply it one time. Now this is two terms, so you multiply at two different places. Okay, so multiply by common denominator, so to cancel out. Now, if this is too confusing, all you do is just distribute first before you multiply. That's another method. Okay. So you multiply, you get 3y plus 3 equal to this cancel out. So you got negative 1 times x give you negative x. Negative 1 times negative 2 will give you plus 2. Okay. So this is one way of doing it. Another way is go and multiply out first. So if this is too confusing, just go and distribute. So you got y plus 1 equal to negative 1x over 3 multiply plus 2 over 3. Okay, so you can distribute first, then you multiply by the common denominator. Okay, so you end up with 3y plus 3 equal to negative x plus 2. So you end up with the same thing. So you can do it either way. So next thing is, again, we need to move all the variable to the left-hand side. And we need to move the number to the right-hand side. So variable to the left-hand side, number to the right-hand side. So minus 3, minus 3. So this cancels out. So you got x plus 3y equal to negative 1. Okay, and so that's your standard form for number 8.